Happiness is a choice, and it is free. Decide today to be happy. No matter the situation, you can choose to be happy. Do not listen too much to motivational speakers. They make you feel like you're not doing enough. All they tell you is work, work, and save, save. If you live the entirety of your life working and saving, when do you get to relax and enjoy the fruit of your labor? It just doesn't add up. Statistics show we spend between 7 to 9 hours sleeping daily, meaning 1/3 of our entire lives are spent sleeping. This makes active life even shorter because while we are asleep, we are not completely active. And sleep is somewhat similar to death itself. Oh, the graveyard. The graveyard is full of unfulfilled dreams, plans, and aspirations. It's a place where we all go eventually, our final resting place. Death is inevitable, my dear brothers and sisters. Before your spirit eventually leaves your body to the land of no return, live your life to the fullest. Please yourself first. You can't please everyone. Life is indeed very, very short. So go on a romantic date with that special somebody. Yes, eat, drink, and spend some of the money you have been saving all this while. Live, love, enjoy, because life on earth is indeed very short. Go on that much needed vacation with your loved ones. Statistics show that people are happier when they spend on experiences rather than on material things. Material things don't last. Experiences continue to provide happiness through memories long after the event occurred. Nobody on their dying bed ever thought to themselves, "Oh, I wish I spent more time at the office. Oh, I wish I made more money." The commonest deathbed regrets are, "Oh, I wish I spent more time with my loved ones, doing what I love best." Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you shouldn't work, hustle, or grind. All I'm saying is that you find the balance. Remember, you work to live. You don't live to work. So get up. Go out. Come on, go and have some fun. All work and no play will make you dull. Go out with friends and party, dance and enjoy, because life is short. Spend time with your loved ones. Show them care and attention today. You don't know how much time they have left on earth. Because, as you know, life is very short. Now, if this video made you happy, why not consider returning the gesture by making me happy by liking this video and subscribing to my channel and watching the rest of my videos displayed on your screen right now. I remain Victor Isibo. Till I see you next time, stay blessed, stay happy.